Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The pearls are made from tapioca starch, an extract of the South American cassava plant, which came to Taiwan from Brazil via Southeast Asia during the period of Japanese rule between 1895 and 1945.16 March 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
If you're older kids like bubble tea or want to try it, an occasional cup is fine. But keep a few things in mind. First, bubble tea may contain caffeine, since it's made with black or green tea and is served in hefty portions. 9 July 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.